I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm...
Hello, how are you today? I hope that you are so great because today is Children's Day. So don't worry about that you are at home because you can make many things like dance, jump, and play video games. So let's start with our activities of this day. These are the activities of this day. First, you have to go to Timeline app and you will create a timeline about the activities that you did during this week. Example, on Monday, I took a shower in the morning. On Tuesday, I played Fortnite. The second activity is to write 5 sentences in your notebook using the keywords of this week. The third activity is to go to Forum 9 and write a tongue twister. That's all for today. See you tomorrow and have a lot of fun in your day. See you.
I never made it,